Third one is Concrete Sandcastles. It's probably the happiest poem of the four. It's also the shortest. I was going to write to you about how I loved you, like the ocean loves the shore. But I realized that was not only cheesy and way overused, but untrue. I love you more than that, because the ocean doesn't really love the shore. I mean, sure, the kiss of sand on water looks real, but do you see how fast the water retreats, leaves the sand rushing forward for one more touch? I promise to kiss you until we're both breathless and dizzy, like I need you more than air, more than life. If I was the ocean, there would never be a tide. I'd never want to slip away from you. Some may say that my love isn't true just because we aren't sand and water, but all wet sand is good for is sandcastles, and I think we're more concrete.